Hi everyone. Well, today we are celebrating a happy occasion. My grandson Kyle is graduating from high school, the class of 2022. I want to dedicate this short little video to his dad, Scott. You know, we have dodged the bullet from that nasty coronavirus for the last 2.5 years, but our luck has finally run out. A few days before Kyle's graduation, his dad came down with it. Ay, ay, ay. He is absolutely heartbroken, quarantined in his bedroom and missing his son's graduation. So I promised him I would video some of it. I'm not going to show it to all of you. But at least he will have it to look at. And even though, Kyle, he wasn't there with you in the present, you know his heart will always be with you. So, for now, Scott, I hope you enjoy the clips I made for you. I hope you feel better soon. The poor guy is stuck in that bedroom and, oh, it's just awful. Praying that the cameraman and I don't get it. So anyway, let's move on, and if you're interested, watch a few clips of Kyle's wonderful graduation. Stay tuned. Today is my grandson Kyle's high school graduation. He's graduating from Button High School today. This is the chairs where the graduates are going to be sitting. The bleachers are filling up behind me. It's going to be a fun day for Kyle. Congratulations, Kyle. You did it. Woohoo! Here's Grandpa.
Howdy.
What do you have to say to Kyle?
Congratulations for the gold cord.
Oh, he told me you get a gold cord, Kyle. Yeah, he's having trouble walking, but we have him in his wheelchair. He wouldn't miss this for anything, right?
Correct.
Okay. Oh, the music is starting. Here they come. Woohoo! I love this. When they play this and all the kids come in and take their seats. It's so exciting. I have no idea where Kyle is, so I'm sure when he watches this video, he'll show me.
Yes,
Can we zoom in a little? Woo! So exciting!
He's the first row. He's probably soon.
So proud of my grandsons. Oh,
He doesn't know what's from his right.
Oh, that's cool. Is that him? No, that's not him. That's not him. Black shoe. That's him.
always gets you emotional when you see the kids and you hear the music. We have 2 more to go yet. We have my grandson Aaron. He'll be graduating in a couple of years, and we have little Lucas. He's got a little ways to go yet.
Our left, his right.
Quite a few kids here. Woo.
Bring it.
like it's like I need a forensic scientist here.
That's it. You don't even know yourself.
I know my science. But I don't.
Here they are, the class of 2022. There's just a few more that have to take their seat. I hope the rain holds off. The sky is getting very dark. So exciting! Woohoo! They're all seated.
Good evening, everybody. At this time, I ask that you stand as we welcome Luca DiJacopo, Senior Class Vice President, Alex Palazzo, Senior Class Secretary, and Ryan Schlachter, Senior Class Fundraising Coordinator, to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You stay standing as we welcome Katarina Van Heerden, Carrie Moore, and Serena Dolan to sing the national anthem.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Good evening, parents, grandparents, family members, friends, distinguished guests, Board of Education members from Boonton and Lincoln Park, Mr. Michael Meyer, Lincoln Park Superintendent, and Mr. Robert Pursuto, Boonton School District Superintendent, and of course, the graduating class. Welcome to Boonton High School's 145th graduation ceremony. Before I give my last few bits of advice to the class of 2022, I want to thank everybody in attendance tonight. To the parents, thank you for your support throughout the last 4 years. A few of those years were difficult, but together we made it through. To the staff, thank you for everything that you have done, not only for the seniors here tonight, but for every student enrolled at Boonton High School. Congratulations to Ms. Foster, Mr. Clowers, and Ms. Ballway on your retirements.
Here comes Kyle. Couple more to go.
Isabella Morales.
Here he is. after this next person. Woohoo! My grandson Kyle. So proud of
Dylan
him.
Mustafa.
I think he's next. Woohoo! All right, Kyle.
Kyle David Nagel.
Yay! There he is, my handsome grandson. Congratulations, Kyle. Whoa. There he is.
Betty Ali
Good
Nakvi.
going, Kyle. All right. Woohoo!
Fawad Nasiri. Laturo Navarro.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Boone High School graduating class of 2020.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.